heaven says to God, do I really have to go? And God replies, yes, it's your time to leave. But don't you worry, you won't be there alone. You see, there's someone who's been waiting for you, quietly hoping and praying for your sweet and safe arrival down on earth. Everyone is born with a guardian angel, and on her wings she'll let you soar higher than you thought was possible. She'll love you and protect you like no other, and your guardian angel has a name. You can call her Mother. As you grow and make your way on through the world, she'll be a softer light to guide you on your way, instilling bits of wisdom like arrows in your quiver to help with all the challenges you'll have to face. Rest assured that no matter where you are, you'll be surrounded by her love, a gentle support to help you keep your faith. You're always in her heart and who she's thinking of. Everyone is born with a guardian angel, and on her wings she'll let you soar higher than you thought was possible. She'll love you and protect you like no other, and your guardian angel has a name. You can call her Mother.
Congratulations! We're so happy for you and Marlon, especially for Cassie. I know this is a lot of sacrifice for both of you, but it's all worth it. So just keep it moving forward. Be excited, enjoy the journey, and we're always here to support you. Bye!
Yes, nagulat ka, no? Anyway, congratulations to your second child. Be a good mother to them. I know mapapalaki nyo sila ng may takot sa Diyos, may paggalang sa inyo. Lagi kang mag-iingat, tandaan mo, lagi akong nandito sa iyo. At miss na kita.
Hi tita, congrats for having a baby girl ulit. Excited na kayo namin si baby Megan Letty. Wow, Megan Letty! So, ayun lang, we are hoping for your safety delivery. And mag-ingat kayo dyan palagi, nila Cassie, ni Tito Marlon, ni Baby Megan. Sana maging healthy kayo palagi, and miss na namin kayo. Sana dumalo ulit kayo dito. Bye-bye!
Hi Mara! Congratulations sa inyo, Marlon. Finally, may baby number ko na kayo. praying for a healthy and safe delivery. Ingat ka palagi, ingat kayo baby. God bless. I wish you all. See you soon. Wish you Cassie.
Congratulations! We pray na sana maging smooth and safe ang delivery niyo, baby. God bless!
Ay, te, congrats sa'yo and kay Bayo Marlon kasi magkakaroon na kayo ng bagong baby. And kay Cassie, magiging ate ka na rin. So, yun te, wish ko sa family mo more blessings to come. And stay healthy. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. And yun, congratulations.
Congratulations sa new baby.
Hello.
Ang wish ko, maging healthy kayong parehas. Excited na kami makita si baby Megan. Mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless.
Congrats, baby!
Congratulations.
I hope you have a safe delivery and I'll see your baby soon. And thank you so much when I went to Cassie house. Bye. Mommy, Mama, Daddy Jar Jar, I love you too. My baby's coming soon. I love you too, baby. Sister.
Hi Mara at Marlon, congratulations sa new baby nyo at excited na kami na makita yung second baby nyo at maraming salamat sa friendship na binibigyan nyo sa aming magpamilya ni Joe at ni Bella at maraming salamat din at sorry sa abala minsan na dinadala ko yan si Bella sa inyo. I'm very thankful na nagkaroon kami ng kaibigan tulad ni Marlon at maraming salamat at sana napasaya namin kayo sa aming konting surprise sa inyo. At congratulations again.
Anak, wish ko kay baby, paglabas niya healthy. Sa'yo, pag safe ka sa pag-deliver ni baby. Saka, ingat kayo palagi dyan, ha? Love you. God bless.
Hi sis! Congratulations again sa second baby girl niya ni Marlon. May you have a safe and healthy delivery. And we were so excited to meet her very soon. And surprise! Sana napangiti ka namin dito sa surprise gift namin sa iyo. Bago ka man lang umire. Anyway, kidding aside, we were just next door to you, so if you need a hand, please don't hesitate to let us know, okay? You're like my sister already, and we were so blessed na nakilala namin kayo, si Marlon, ikaw, at si Baby Cassie. You know that we love you. So, just enjoy the journey of being a mom, and we're just here, okay? Bye!
The sacrifices she will make to put you first when everything's at stake. All the love that she's devoted. Until now you never noticed she was showing you how to be a guardian angel too. Everyone is born with a guardian angel, and on her wings she'll let you soar higher than you thought was possible. She'll love you and protect you like no other, and your guardian angel has a name you can call her. Mother. Thank you.